We start every day with mobile devices. As the time passes by, a charging cable breaks and we have to spend money and our time to get a new one. That is why people try to fix their cables using tapes, bands, and different methods, but these are just temporary solutions. The Lightning Armor by Telewide offers two-step protection solution and is very convenient to use. What's more, the design is ergonomic. The strong point of this product is the flexible silicone isolation that extends durability of the cable, giving the best protection from breakage. Consisting of the two parts, the engineered structure of the PC housing strengthens this protection even more. Before your cable becomes worn out, dress it up in beautiful clothes and use for a long time.